know why this is the most exhausting thing ever, but it is.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, now I'm just gonna open my blinds. Wait, I don't know why I opened them so much. I genuinely cannot handle that much sunlight. What a beautiful day. Oh, I don't know if that's bird poo or just dirt, but again, we don't need that much. And I'm just gonna open my window. Alright guys, clicking this pen like this makes me feel quite important. So I went to the washroom, brushed my teeth, did my skincare routine, changed and freshened up a bit, and before that I logged into work. So yeah, we are logged in, we're ready to go. But what I've been doing again, I think I used this for the first 4 months of this year when I was doing my internships. And then this entire summer I kind of gave up on being organized. And so yeah, it made things harder, I'm not gonna lie. But it's September, things are really hectic and busy again, and I really need to know exactly what I'm doing so that I don't get too anxious, because I deal with a lot of anxiety, and so having like my life organized, it really helps me. And so that's just one method I use to ease my stress. Okay. On the left side of my planner, I'm just gonna write down what I'm grateful for, and I usually write down 6 things to fill up the lines. But yeah, let's think of something I'm grateful for. I'm gonna get to work at my desk, and I'm really going to try to get things done. What else do I have to do today? Let's see. Work, I have this many things to do. I have to read the Bible. I put that on my thing every single day so that I don't forget. I have to finish the slideshow and lyrics for church on Sunday where I lead worship, so I have to do the slideshow for all the lyrics and stuff. I have like a coffee chat at 4. I have to finish editing my video, and I have to do my this or that. Oh my gosh, I always forget about it. And then I also have to film day, which I'm doing right now, which is good. So yeah, that's okay. I think it's gonna be a good day. I'm so incredibly busy today. Yeah, girl, I'm busy. All right, so just vibe with me. I'm gonna work, and you know, we can put some nice music on in the background, and you can watch me do that for a little bit.
Freak, are you kidding me?
So I finished work. I really never thought it would get done. I did my call, and now we're headed to a little fair with my nephews and everything. All right, and Kiefer's also with me, so let's say hi.
Hey everyone, hope you're doing well.
This mask is literally in my eyes. Is that a chicken? Hello. Yeah, these are so cool.
Yum. Eat it.
Don't say, oh, I thought you were saying yum at these chickens. This one is so beautiful, it's sleeping. If I was a duck, this would be me.
Buddy. Give it.
Hi, little bunnies.
Oh, say hello to Buddy.
Yeah, you can see them right here, babe.
Hi, Buddy.
Say hi, bunnies.
Hi. Buddies.
Little bunnies.
Hi, Buddy.
Hi. Yeah. Hello, little goat. He's so cute. Oh, this guy knows something we don't. This guy's got knowledge. Hey, donkey. Buddy, this looks so good. Tacos. Yum. Alright guys, I'm just chilling at my sister's house right now. They're putting the kids to bed, but Kiefer's in the back. He just enjoyed a nice ice cream sandwich. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, this was just a fun day. I wanted to vlog it. That is all. So, alright, say bye.
God bless, bye.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below with anything else you'd like to see. Follow me on all my socials, they'll be linked down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye! So bless you.
It's a blooper.
So Kiefer's also coming with me, so
It's good, yo.
anyways. I wanted to vlog it, and that is all. So
Jesus loves you.
Jesus loves you, period. Period.